Hey guys, this is Yami, aka Yami Yami, and just a little vlog that I actually wanted to post because something just dawned on me, and it's very hurtful. It's like it's kind of like whenever if you guys watch Steven Universe, not that I'm promoting it, but there's this one scene on the latest episode where one of the latest episodes where Blue Diamond's aura affects everyone because she's blue, she's pure sadness, and Lapis Lazuli decides she comes up to the plate and she wipes that one tear that comes out of her eye, and she's like, I've had worse. That's how I feel sometimes. But on that note, it's just that feeling, it dawned on me because of the realization that I've seen in my whole life. And my perspective is, no matter any girl that I stand next to, that girl will be picked before I get picked. And I've noticed that since elementary school, middle school, and high school. Like, for example, you have a group of friends, or your whole class, goes out for, I'll put this example, let's say PE class, high school or middle school, and it's dodgeball, right? So you pick your teams. I am the last person that gets picked. It's always been that way. And yeah, I got a little sad back then, but now is the realization, like, that's gonna be true no matter where I stand. And it's more of no matter where I stand, where I sit next to, for like a coffee shop or at a bar, the girl next to me will be talked to rather than a guy talking to me, just for the fact is either that person's prettier or I don't know. Reason being is because I'm still dawning on the fact of, it's been a month and a half, and yes, I still miss my ex. I still love him. I still forgive him. I still want to be with him. But I'm not going to chase it just because it's not me. I do not want to disturb or cut even more of the, the invisible line, the invisible connection that I have with him. I don't want to sever any more than it is. I don't like to bother. I don't like to chase, even though I want to. And what still dawns on me is why the person that was involved, how was that person chosen over me? I'm still dawning upon that. Being cheated on sucks, but my question is, knowing that her appearance is way different than mine, I will go into detail this. She is more fatter than me. She is taller than me. she almost died on my hands. I cannot explain. I cannot fathom on why I was cheating on the night I saved her fucking life. And then she went and slept with my ex. I cannot explain that. I'm still asking that question, why she would betray my trust like that. Many of those friends that were around us told me I am way more pretty than her. Why she chosen over me? That still dawns on me. It still dawns on me because not only that, it brings my self-esteem way much lower than it was, because of the fact that of my past. It just brought it more down, because it just seems that no matter who I stand next to, I will always be picked as a last resort. It is what it is. I can't explain why the nature and forces do that, but it's how it was put in my life. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments below. I'm still trying to rise like the phoenix. And I'm doing it all on my own. Love you guys. Bye.